Hello students, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. Hi, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, thank you, fine. And don't forget about the precautions of COVID-19, which is must and should nowadays. Wear a mask when you go outside and use sanitizer when you touch something of others, and be cautious always and take necessary precautions. Take care of your family also, which is must and should. And so let us continue our today's class. We are in our basic level of mathematics, HCF and LCM, and already I have explained how to find out HCF by using prime factorization and continuous division methods. So now in our today's class, let us learn about LCM, that is least common multiple. So our today's class is about least common multiple. Okay. So before going to find out least common multiple, let us know what are multiples first. So multiple. So first let us know what are multiples of 2. So whenever we are multiplying 2 with some natural number, whatever the number we are getting, that becomes a multiple. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Right? So here whatever the numbers I am multiplying here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all natural numbers, right? So whatever the result I am getting, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, these are all multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay, in the same way, if we take multiples of 3, so multiples of 3, so 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15 and so on. Yes, these are nothing but the result which we are getting in the table, right? 3 table numbers we are getting now, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, these are all multiples of 3. Next, multiples of 4. What are multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on, right? So these are multiples of 4. I want least common multiple. Okay? For suppose after 15 what I will get here? 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, right? So here also if I continue, what I will get? 24 after 4 6 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 36 and 4 10 is 40. Yes, first round of common multiples here. So what are the common multiples? 12 is a common multiple. Only 3 and 4 you take, no 2 no need. Okay, let us find out common LCM of 12 and 3 and 4. Okay, so what are the common multiples here? 12 we are finding, still 24. Yes, only 10, up to 10 I have taken first 10 multiples. So these are the first 10 multiples of 3 and these are the first 10 multiples of 4. So if I take what are the common multiples I am getting? 12 I am getting and 24 I am getting in both, right? So which is the least among these two? 12, right? So therefore least common multiple, that is LCM of 3 and 4 is how much? 12. Okay, this is the general method of finding LCM. Clear? But if we find out like this, it is not possible for all numbers. Okay, in case if you are getting some big numbers like 247 and 352 like that, then it is possible to find out least common multiple directly by doing like this. General method not possible now. That's why we are having some specific methods for finding LCM, that is least common multiple. Okay, let us see the methods now. So now first method, prime factorization method. What is the first method called? Prime factorization method. Okay. So how to find out LCM, that is least common multiple, by prime factorization method? Let us see now. Okay. For suppose I am taking in my first example, my numbers are 12, 15 and 30. How to find out prime factorization by 12, 15 and 30 by prime factorization method? I will explain now. Okay. So first take the number 12. Okay. So 2 table 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Next 15. 15. Is 15 possible in 2 table? No. So we should not take 2. So 3 table. 3 5s 15. 5 1s 5. Next 30. 30. 2 table. Yes, even number. So 2 table 15 times is 30. If you are not getting directly, then you can take half. Half of 30 is 15, right? So 2 table 15 times you will get 30. But how about 15? 15 is possible in 2 table? No. So 3 table. 3 5s 15. 5 1s 5. Okay. So now let us write down what we are getting in expanded form now. Okay. So how to expand 12? 12 can be expanded as 2 into 2 into 3, right? 2 into 2 into 3. And how can 15 be expanded? 15 can be expanded as 3 into 5. How can 30 be expanded? 30 can be expanded as 2 into 3 into 5. Now, first LCM of 12, 15 and 30. Okay. So first take common factor. Okay. Common number in all 3 numbers. Yes. So 3 is common. Next 5 is common in 2 numbers, right? 15 and 30 I am getting 5. So 5 you take one time. And 2 also again I am getting common. Right? Okay. And again one more uncommon factor 2 is there, no, that also I should write. So 3 into 5 is 15. 15 to 30. 30 to 60 is the LCM. Understood? First we have to write common factors in all the 3 numbers. Afterwards, if two numbers also are there, then also we can take only one time and remaining common factor one time. I mean remaining number also we should multiply, so that we will get the LCM. Understood? This is the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Now let us see one more example. Now somewhat difficult numbers 14, 56 and 72. Okay. Now let us see how to find out LCM of 14, 56 and 72. Okay. So first 14. 2 table. 2 7s 14. 7 1s 7. Next 56. So 2 table. Already I said no, half of 56 you have to take. If not, 2 2s 4. 16 remains. 2 8 16. Like that also you can do. Okay. Again 2 table. Why? Because 28 is even number. 2 14s 28. Again 2 7s 14. 7 1s 7. Okay. Next 72. So 2 table 36 times. Half of 72 is 36. 2 table 18 times. Half of 36 is 18. Again 2 table 9 times. But here 9 we are not getting. Why? Because 2 table we are not getting 9. But 3 table 3 3 is 9. Again 3 1s 3. Okay. So next, now we have to write expanded form, right? So how can we expand 14? 2 into 7. How can we expand 56? Is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next 72 is equal to 2 into 2. How many times? 3 times. And 3 2 times. Okay. Now you round off common factors. Okay. So first LCM of 14, 56 and 72 is equal to. So common number is 2. Again I am getting 7 also common in 2 numbers. So I can write 7 one time. Again 2 also I am getting 2 times common, right? So 2 into 2 into, but 3 is not common. So 3 I should write 2 times like that only. Understood? So that is equal to 2 into 7, 14. 14 2 is 28, 28 2 is 56, 56 into 9. 9 6 are 54, 9 5 is 45 plus 5, 50, 504 is the answer. Understood everybody? So this is the method of finding LCM. First method, that is prime factorization method. Clear? Okay, good. If you want, you can take some more number and practice on your own. I hope everybody understood the method of prime factorization now. Okay, now let us see the same examples with one more method, that is division method. Okay, so students, first of all, learn prime factorization perfectly so that you can get tables perfectly and you can know how to do LCM by prime factorization, and you can know expansion, everything clearly. Understood? Those who are beginners, follow whatever the method I am saying from starting onwards. So first we have to do prime factorization only. So practice first prime factorization method, then you can practice division method. Clear? So now let us move to our next method, that is division method. Okay? Next method is division method. In HCF we have continued division method. Why? Because there we are doing the division continuously. But here we are not doing division, but we call this method as division method. Understood? In division method, you have to take all three numbers at a time, 12, 15 and 30, and this is the most commonly used method for all the classes. Okay? Whenever we are asked to find out LCM means, we will do this division method only, but we will never follow prime factorization method. Prime factorization will follow only when we don't know division method perfectly. Understood? That's why. So first let us understand how to do division method. Means all three numbers should take at a time, and all three numbers should be divisible by one number. That number we should write first. Understood? So 12 is even number, 30 is even number. How about 15? Is 15 an even number here? No. So we should not, it is not possible to take 2. Next let us see about 3 table. 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15 and 3 10s 30. All three numbers divisible. So we can start with 3 here. So 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15 and 3 10s 30. Okay. Now our first step is completed. Now second step. Is it possible again 3 numbers at a time? Yes. 4 and 10 are even numbers, but 5 is not even number. Even we can go for 3 means not possible. Even if we do 5 also, 5 and 10 are possible, but 4 is not possible. At that time, even when 2 numbers are divisible, that number also we can take. So let us go for 2 now. So 2 2 is 4. Again 5 as it is. Again 2 5 is 10. So again 5 5 same number. So I can take 5 here. So 2 as it is. 1 1. So here 2 is left. So 2 1 1 1. Understood? So now we have to write LCM. So LCM of 12, 15 and 30 is equal to. So what are the numbers you are getting? That we have to multiply. So 3 into 2 into 5 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 5 is 30. 30 to 60 is the LCM. Okay. This is which method? Division method. Now let us see one more example. 2 examples there we have done of prime factorization. The same 2 examples we will do in division method also now. Okay. So 14, 56 and 72, right? Now you see 14 is even number, 56 is even number and 72 is also even number, right? So when all three are even numbers, then we can go with 2 table. So 2 table, 2 7s 14, 2 28 56 and 2 36 times 72. Already I said, now I am saying listen, 56, half of 56 you have to take care if you don't know 2 table directly. Okay, 56 half, how much? 28. Half of 72 is how much? 36. So now again 7, 28, 36. Okay, I hope everyone knows 7 table, right? 7 1 7, 7 4 28. So I am taking 7 table here. 7 1 7, 7 4 28 and 36, like that only. Clear? So In prime factorization means only prime numbers, but here this is division method, so we can take either composite numbers or prime numbers. So anyhow I take 4. 4 1 as it is. 4 ones 4. 4 table 36 means 9 times. So now again 9. 1 1 1. Clear? So till we get 1, we have to do like this only, and this method is called division method. So now LCM of 14, 56 and 72 is equal to 2 into 7 into 4 into 9. 2 7s 14, 14 4s 56, again 56 into 9. 6 9s 54, 9 5s 45 plus 10 50. So 504. The same answer we are getting in division method also. Clear? So students, these are the two very important methods of finding LCM. One is prime factorization method and other one is division method. Okay. So anyhow, now you are enjoying your lockdown. So try to practice these problems so that you can learn LCM perfectly and you can remember it even when you are going for any competitive exams or wherever you go. LCM, finding LCM is necessary. That's why learn finding LCM, which is the basic part of mathematics. Understood? So I hope everyone like my videos. Watch my videos continuously and subscribe my channel to learn mathematics in an easy way. I hope I am making you learn in an understandable manner. If so, cooperate with me and watch all my videos and like my video so that it can reach to so many people and they too can learn mathematics. This is my sincere request. I hope you will follow. And so students, that's all for today. I'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.